My darling child, get ready for a breakthrough that will completely surprise you and bring you an immense divine blessing. God, in His boundless grace, is setting in motion a plan so profound, so magnificent, that it will change the course of your life. He is opening doors you thought were forever closed, and moving obstacles you thought were immovable right now. In the unseen spiritual realm, there is a powerful, holy stirring. Heaven is preparing to rain down blessings upon you, and the Almighty is aligning everything for your good. You can feel it. Can you? That sense of anticipation, that undeniable shift in the atmosphere. It's as if the very air is charged with electricity, humming with the promise of something extraordinary about to unfold. This is no mere coincidence or stroke of luck. This is the handiwork of a loving, all-powerful God who has heard your cries and is now moving heaven and earth to fulfill the desires of your heart. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Asterisk, plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope in a future. The breakthrough you've been praying for, the breakthrough you've been believing for, is now imminent. You are not forgotten. All of your prayers, tears, and whispers of faith have been heard and loved. God has been meticulously orchestrating this moment, carefully positioning all the pieces on the chessboard of your life. He has seen your faithfulness, your unwavering determination to press forward, even in the face of overwhelming odds. You have labored faithfully in your daily inner work, cultivating a heart that is aligned with His divine vision for you. Do not let weariness consume you. Now, for your efforts have not gone unnoticed in the heavens, God, in His infinite wisdom, is pouring blessings over you, even as you sleep, as you rest. Trust that His hands are at work setting before you treasures, joys, and victories you never dared to imagine. Let go of every ounce of anxiety or regret you harbor about the past, present, or future. Anxiety cannot stand in the presence of His peace, and fear is powerless against the overwhelming force of His love. You are not just on a journey, you are on God's journey for you. Every step, every trial, every triumph is part of His meticulously crafted plan. This path is sacred, and the true reward is the journey itself. A pilgrimage where faith grows stronger, and His glory shines brighter. Embrace the uncertainty, for it is in the unknown that God's power is most fully revealed. Trust that He is leading you step by step into a future more magnificent than you could ever imagine. Right now, the spiritual realm is charged with anticipation. The heavens themselves are prepared for the outpouring of blessings about to manifest in your life. Stay vigilant. Stay in His presence, for God is about to move as He has never moved before. Do not doubt, do not waver, for sudden victories and divine favor are headed your way. God remains unchanging, all-powerful, and endlessly good. Remember, He is the God who split the seas, who brought forth manna from heaven, who broke open prison doors, and He is about to act powerfully on your behalf. This is no time for complacency or half-hearted faith. This is the moment to stand firm, to raise your hands in praise, and to declare with unwavering conviction that your breakthrough is imminent. So do not delay. This is your divine wake-up call, your holy invitation to rise and act. Do not wait for life to force you into action. Take hold of your health. Strengthen your relationships. Pursue the dream. Start now, step forward in faith. For God is calling you into a new season of abundance and purpose. This is your moment to lay hold of His promises. The breakthrough is near. Watch this video without skipping a single second, and I will make a secret prayer for you at the end. The heavens are poised, the angels are ready, and God's hand is extended, ready to pour out a blessing so profound, so life-changing, that it will leave you in awe of His power and love. Prepare your heart, my dear child, for the breakthrough is coming. The Spirit of the Lord is speaking tenderly to you, dear child of God, assuring you that you are under His divine guidance and protection in every endeavor you undertake. Take a deep breath and release any lingering fears or doubts, embracing this profound truth with an open and receptive heart. A new wave of heavenly energy is sweeping over you, bringing with it a cascade of infinite possibilities that will propel you forward on your journey. Do not hesitate or procrastinate any longer. The time is now, and you are more than ready for this momentous season of renewal and transformation. When you feel that inner stirring, that undeniable urging from the depths of your soul, take a bold leap of faith and heed the callings of your heart. Without reservation, you are much stronger and wiser than you were before. The valuable lessons you have learned have prepared you for this pivotal chapter, equipping you with the fortitude and discernment needed to navigate the path ahead. God's grace is enabling you to complete the task at hand, reminding you that although the beginning may seem simple and easy, it is tenacity and unwavering dedication in the face of difficulty that will truly test the depth of your faith. You can be sure that with God, everything is possible because He is always at your side, guiding your steps and fortifying your resolve. Allow the Lord to mold and shape you into the person He has called you to be, remaining pliable in His hands and believing that each step you take will bring you closer to the person you are meant to be. Don't let life's messiness and the obstacles you encounter become your new normal. Refuse to let these burdens to control you, whether they be addictions to rage or pessimism that tries to pull you down. Define yourself by continuing to go forward, avoiding temptation, and making moral decisions at every opportunity, since each wise choice you make will only make your resolve stronger. It's normal and vital to be building and constantly improving along the way, but stagnation is unacceptable. You must continue to be persistent in your dedication to development and progress. Do your part, sweetie, and stay open to change, while believing that God will keep His promise to raise you to new heights, because He never permits suffering without a reason. Every hardship you encounter and every challenge you conquer presents a chance for significant development and change. God is aware of your difficulties, bears witness to your suffering, and loves you unconditionally. He will be by your side, especially during your darkest moments, so have complete faith in Him and don't be afraid. He is your true, unwavering companion. Get ready to embark on a life-changing chapter that will be characterized by a series of victories and breakthroughs that will push you closer to your most treasured goals and aspirations. Embrace this thrilling journey of self-discovery, empowerment, and fulfillment unlike any you have ever experienced. It is a divine turning point, a time for unmatched growth that will propel you into the abundant life God has destined for you. Hold fast to the promise that the Lord is near to everyone who calls on Him in truth. As you seek Him sincerely and earnestly, His presence will envelop you, and you will witness His faithfulness as He prepares a path for you full of opportunities, blessings, and favor. The Lord is speaking, dear child of God, and He is calling you to rise up and embrace the magnificence that AWA has for you. Wait, dear child, have you ever wondered why you haven't been able to manifest? Type 1111 to affirm your faith and claim the abundant life He has destined for you. The answer is straightforward. If you're a spiritual person seeking to transform your life within your limited circle, you require something new. The Southwest. Listen carefully to this message. In less than 7 days after hearing this 1-minute prayer, you will begin to draw money and abundance into your life. This biblical 1-minute prayer brings prosperity and richness into your life. Would you like it? This month is a time of great unfolding, when heaven's hand raises you into a divine ascent beyond your earthly expectations. You have been selected for a profound awakening. Click the link below to learn the wealth secrets of divine prayer to attract wealth and abundance into your life, beloved child of God. A spiritual uplift that will take you to realms you hardly dared to dream about. Stand still and express gratitude for every step of the way that has brought you to this moment of bountiful grace. Accept every change and transition as a priceless gift from the Almighty, who has been leading you step by step through every difficulty and victory of your trip thus far. You have traveled a long way, my love, through both happy and difficult landscapes. And now you stand on the precipice of a new and glorious chapter. You can look back and marvel at how God has strengthened and refined you, how He has used every experience to shape you into the brilliant, purpose-filled vessel you are today. Every action you took, every leap of faith, and every prayer you whispered in faith were all woven into His larger plan for your life, and you are thriving under His hand, blossoming in ways you once could only imagine. Rejoice, for He who started this work in you is faithful to see it through to completion. Your life's divine tapestry is taking shape with amazing beauty. Don't be afraid of the unknown as you gaze to the future. Every day, God asks you to give up all control and have faith that His hand will steady your steps and that His wisdom will lead your way. He sees the end from the beginning, and whispers and miracles are frequently cloaked in the mystery of His perfect timing. Rest in the assurance of His ways. Take success that is not determined by material gain, but rather by a strong, abiding connection to God's higher calling, whose Spirit is healing even the old wounds of your lineage. The purity of your heart and the sincerity of your devotion call forth divine favor, attracting souls and opportunities aligned with heaven's purpose for your life. Breaking the chains that have imprisoned generations and releasing you into a freedom that exalts His name, you are a living example of the transformational power of God's love. His goodness is pouring into your life, giving you joy that is your strength and a wellspring of hope that keeps you going through every obstacle. As you travel, keep in mind that your path is predetermined and that your obstacles are stepping stones. Every lesson and every adversity served as a divine prelude to help you fulfill your divine calling. Hold on to your dreams with the knowledge that His hand is leading you with a reason, and that every door He opens is done so with divine intent, opening your heart to surprises from heaven. Faith attracts miracles, and God's wonders frequently appear when we least expect them to. Let go of earthly schedules and welcome the potential of an unexpected blessing with doors flung open and divine favor greater than your wildest prayers. Because God's methods are higher than ours, and His plans are beyond our comprehension, have faith that His promise will come to pass flawlessly in His time. Recall what 1 Corinthians 2:9 says, "No eye haven't seen, no ear has heard, and no mind has envisioned what God has planned for His people." If you're prepared to receive everything heaven has in store for you and are prepared to give your life to the divine plan completely, then type 100.0 as a declaration of faith, a testament that you're open and prepared for the blessings to pour out. The performance of miracles and the satisfaction of your deepest desires, because the Lord, your God, is dependable and will reveal Himself to you in ways that will amaze and delight you beyond your wildest expectations. We appreciate your time and support. Please click the subscribe button to receive updates on new videos.